Hello and welcome to Challenge 14, my friends. Hey, this is 4 problems that you should have done all right in a row because this is an on-your-own problem. So right now you should be watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly. Without further ado, let us move on to our first problem. 631 times 8,026. First thing I did was do my counting by the numbers for 6s and for 3s. I didn't need to worry about the 1s because that's super simple, my friends. Then I took 8,026 and plugged it in on top of my 3 area boxes right here. And I broke the 631 into 600 plus 30 plus 1. Let's rock and roll, my friends. 1 times any number, in this case 8,026, will give you that exact same number. So I'm going to just drop the 6, the 2, the 0, and the 8, and bam, I'm all done with that area box. Now I'm moving down here, and 0 times any number, in this case 8,026, will give you 0 right here. And that's also a place value holder for the 1s column because we already took care of that with the 1, right? Now let's move on. 3 times 6, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, and 6 gives you 18. I'm going to drop the 8 and carry the 1. Drop that 8, carry that 1, and move along. 3 times 2, 1, 2 gives you 6. Plus this 1 here will give you 7. Drop that 7. And actually, I'm going to fix that 7 because guess what? It looks a little bit, there we go. How's that? Okay, perfect. And now it's time to move along. 3 times 0, well, that's going to give you 0. So I'll drop a 0 right there. Bam. Then you got 3 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives you 24. I'm going to drop the 2 and the 4 because that is correct, my friends. I am all done with this area box right there. Let's move on down here to the 600. I'm going to take care of the 2 zeros first. I'm going to just plug in 2 zeros right there because 0 times 8,026 is 0 and 0 times 8,026 is also 0. These are also place value holders for the 1s column and the 10s column because we took care of it with the 1 and the 3. And bam, let's move on to the 6. 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gives you 36. I'm going to drop the 6 and carry the 3. Drop that 6, carry that 3, and move along. 6 times 2. 1, 2 gives you 12. Plus 3 is going to give you 15. I'm going to drop the 5, carry the 1, and move along. 6 times 0, well, that's 0. Plus this 1 here will give you 1. Drop that 1 and move along. 6 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 will give you 48. I'm going to drop the entire 48 because that is correct, my friends. I am all done with all my multiplication. All I have to do now is add these bad boys up, and I will have my product and be all done with this multiplication. All right, 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 and 2 is 10. Drop that 0, carry that 1. Then I've got, this is kind of cool. 1 and 6 is 7, and then 7 and 7 is 14. I'm going to drop the 4, carry the 1, and now I've got 1 plus 8 is going to give you 9, plus 5 is going to give you 14, and I'm going to drop the 4, carry the 1, and now I've got 4 plus these 2 is going to give you 6, right? Now 8 and 2 is 10, drop the 0, carry the 1, 4 and 1 is 5, and bam, we are all done, my friends. And your answer is right there. 5,064,406 is your answer. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. And now let's move on to our second problem of this video. And here we go, my friends. 475 times 3,484. I did my counting by the numbers, right, for the 4s, 7s, and 5s. And then I took the 3,484 and plugged it in right on top of my 3 area boxes. I broke the 475 into 400 plus 70 plus 5. And now I'm ready to rock and roll. 5 times 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 20. Drop that 0, carry that 2, and move along. 5 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives you 40. Plus this 2 here will give you 42. Drop the 2, carry the 4, and move along. 5 times 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 20. Plus this 4 here gives you 24. Drop the 4, carry the 2, and move along. 5 times 3, 1, 2, 3 gives you 15. Plus 2 gives you 17. Drop that 7 and that 1 because we are all done with this area box, my friend. Next, I'm dropping down here to the 70. I'll start with the 0. 0 times any number. In this case, 3,484 will give you 0. I'm going to drop that 0 right there and move along. 7 times 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 28. I'm going to drop the 8 and carry the 2. Drop that 8, carry that 2, and move along. And now I've got 7 times 8. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives you 56. Plus this 2 here will give you 58. I'm going to drop the 8, carry the 5, and move along. 7 times 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 28. Plus this 5 here is going to give you 33. So I'm going to drop the 3, carry the 3, and move along. And now I've got 7 times 3, 1, 2, 3 gives you 21. Plus this 3 here will give you 24. Drop the 4 and the 2 because we are all done with this area box right here. Next, I'm moving down here to the 400, and I've got these 2 zeros here. I'm going to just plug in 2 zeros here because 0 times 3,484 is 0, and 0 times 3,484 is also 0, my friends. Also, these zeros can be thought of as place value holders for the ones column and the tens column because we already took care of that with the 5 and the 7. Let's move on to this 4, my friends. 4 times 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 16. Drop that 6, carry that 1. Drop that 6, carry that 1, and move along. 4 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives you 32. Plus this 1 here will give you 33. Drop the 3, carry the 3, and move along. 4 times 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 16. Plus this 3 here will give you 19. And drop the 9, carry the 1 right up there, and move along. 4 times 3, 1, 2, 3 gives you 12. Plus this 1 here will give you 13. Oops, I want to circle that a little better. 13, drop the 3 and the 1 because we are all done with all our multiplication. Now all we have to do is add these bad boys up. And look at this, I get all zeros. That's pretty simple. Just add a 0, right? 8, I'm sorry, I'm getting all miscombobulated. 2 plus 8 is going to give you 10, right? Drop that 0, carry that 1. And then I've got 8 plus, actually, let's do this. 4 plus 6 is 10, right? Plus this 8 is 18, and then that's going to give you 19. Lovely. 19, drop the 9, carry the 1. Superb, my friends. Now I've got 7 plus 3 is 10, 13, and 14, right? So I'm going to drop that 4, carry that 1, and bam, 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 bam. I got 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus this 4 is going to give me 6. Plus 9 is going to give me 15. I'm going to drop the 5, carry that 1, and move on over. I've got 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus another 3 is 6. Drop that 6. And then I just got to drop the 1. And look at that. Lo and behold, I am all done. And there is your answer. 1,654,900. Oh my goodness, I love it. All right, so here we go. As I always say, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. And now, let us move on to our third problem of this video. And here we go. 396 times 5,636. I did my counting by the numbers for 3s, 9s, and 6s. And then I took the 5,636 and plugged it in right up on top of my 3 area boxes right here. I broke the 396 into 300 plus 90 plus 6. Let us rock and roll with the 6s here. 6 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives you 36. I'm going to drop the 6, carry the 3, and move along. 6 times 3, 1, 2, 3 gives me 18. Plus this 3 here is going to give me 21. I'm going to drop the 1, carry the 2, and move along. 6 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give me 36. Plus this 2 here will give me 38. I'm going to drop the 8, carry the 3, and move along. 6 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 30. Plus this 3 here will give me 33. I'm going to drop the 3 and the 3 because I'm all done with this area box right here, my friends. Next, I'm moving down to the 90. I'll start with the 0, and 0 times any number, in this case 5,636, will give me 0. Drop that 0. Now I'm ready to move on to the 9. 9 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives me 54. I'm going to drop the 4 and carry the 5. Drop that 4, carry that 5, and move along. 9 times 3, 1, 2, 3 gives me 27. Plus this 5 here is going to give me 32. I'm going to drop the 2, carry the 3, and move along. 9 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives me 54. Plus this 3 here is going to give me 57. And I'm going to drop the 7, carry the 5 right there, and move along, my friends. And 9 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 45. Plus this 5 here is going to give me 50 exactly. I'm going to drop the 0 and the 5 because I'm all done with this area box right there, my friends. Next, I'm moving on to the 300. I'm going to take care of these 2 zeros first, and I'm going to just drop them right there because 0 times 5,636 is 0, and this 0 times 5,636 is also 0. These also can be thought of as place value holders for the 1s column and the 10s column because we already took care of that with the 6 and the 9 right there. Superb. Let's move on, my friends. 3 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give you 18. I'm going to drop the 8 and carry the 1. Drop that 8, carry that 1, and move along. 3 times 3, 1, 2, 3 is going to give you 9. Plus this 1 here will give you 10. Drop that 0, carry that 1, and move along. 3 times 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives you 18. Plus this 1 here will give you 19. I'm going to drop the 9, carry that 1, and move along. I got 3 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives you 15. Plus this 1 here will give you 16. I'm going to drop the 6 and the 1. That is right, my friends, because I am all done. Now with all my multiplication, all I got to do now is add these bad boys up. Let's do that right now. I get 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 and 1 is 5. Sweet. Right here I've got 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus this 8 will give me 18. I'm going to drop the 8, carry the 1. And look at this. I've got 3 plus 7 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. Drop that 1, carry that 1. Ooh, lovely. 1 plus 9 is 10. Plus 3 is 13. Superb. Drop the 3, carry the 1. And now, look at this. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 6 is 12. Superb. Drop the 2, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Bam! I love it. And there you have it, my friends. Your answer is 2,231,856. Bam, bam, ba bam, bam, bam. Got to love that. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friends. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. And now, let us move on to our fourth and final problem of this video. And here we go, my friends. 954 times 4,679. I wrote my counting by the numbers for my 9s, 5s, and 4s. Then I took the 4,679 and plugged it in on top of my 3 area boxes right here. And now I broke the 954 into 900 plus 50 plus 4. Let's rock and roll. 4 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 36. I'm going to drop the 6, carry the 3, and move along. And here we go. 4 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives you 28. Plus this 3 here is going to give you 31. I'm going to drop the 1, carry the 3, and move along. 4 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives you 24. Plus this 3 here will give you 27. Drop your 7, carry your 2, and move along. 4 times 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 16. Plus this 2 here will give you 18. Drop your 8 and your 1 because you are all done with this area box right there, my friends. Let's move on down here to the 50. I'll start with a 0, and 0 times any number, in this case 4,679, will give you 0, my friends. Drop that 0. And this 0 can also be thought of as a place value holder for the ones column because we already did that with the 4. Let's rock and roll with this 5. 5 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives you 45. I'm going to drop the 5 and carry the 4. Drop that 5, carry that 4, and move along. 5 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives you 35. 35 plus 4 is going to give you 39. Drop that 9, carry that 3, and move along. 5 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives you 30. Plus this 3 here will give you 33. Drop your 3, carry your 3, and move along, my friends. 5 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives you 20. Plus 3 right here is going to give you 23. I'm going to drop the 3 and the 2 because I'm all done with this area box right here. I'm ready to rock and roll with the 900. I'll start with the 2 zeros. And the beautiful thing is I can just put 2 zeros right there because 0 times 4,679 is 0. And this 0 here times 4,679 is also 0. These are also place value holders for the ones column and the tens column because that was taken care of with the 4 and the 5 right there, my friend. Let's rock and roll with 9. 9 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is going to give you 81. I'm going to drop the 1, carry the 8, and move along. 9 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is going to give you 63. Plus this 8 here is going to give you 71. So I'm going to drop the 1, carry the 7 right there, and move along. And I got 9 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give you 54. Plus this 7 here is going to give you 61, right? I'm going to drop the 1, carry the 6, and move along, my friends. Next, I've got 9 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is 36. Plus this 6 here is going to be 42. I'm going to drop the 2 and the 4 because you guessed it, my friends. I'm all done with all of my multiplication. Now all I have to do is add these bad boys up, and I will have my product of this multiplication problem. And I've got right here, I get 6 plus 0 is going to give me 6, right? Drop that. And then 5 plus 1 is also 6. Lovely. Here I have 9 and 1 is 10. Plus 7 is going to give you 17. Drop the 7, carry the 1, right? And then I've got these 2 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 8 is going to give you 10. Plus this 3 will give you 13, right? Perfect. Drop that 3 and carry that 1 and move on. I got 1 plus 1. Plus 1 is 3, right? And plus this 3 is going to give you 6. Drop that 6 there. Next, 2 plus 2, that's going to give you 4. Love it. And my last 4, I just drop on down, drop my commas, and voila, my friends, 4,463,766 is your answer. You got to love that. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.